Is investment linked insurance a wise decision or a prudent financial decision? Well, there is no cut and dry answer for this question. It is debatable and a controversial question. It all depends on one's needs and the circumstances. Before getting into this topic, there are 2 points one should keep in mind. One, that the insurance investment returns are guaranteed, and 2, they are tax free. Let's look at certain circumstances where insurance linked investment may be prudent decision. Without sounding prejudiced or like an MCP, I would humbly say that in India, the way the social fabric is, women are less financially savvy. They are dependent on their male counterparts like their husband or their brother, father to make financial investments for them. In such a circumstances, it may be a wise decision to take a policy which has guaranteed returns over long period of time, which would take care of the female members of the house for a long time without getting into worries of investment, what to do, how to do, where to do. They will have a steady income for a very long duration, which will be helpful for both the person who's doing the investment and the person who's receiving the investment. The other circumstances could be where parents want to give their children some supplemental income during their formative years or after marriage or any time in the life where they need money. In such cases, an insurance policy which is linked with investment would give good returns and a steady income to the children. The other circumstances could be the way the Indian society is. We in India have a joint family system, or even if the joint family system does not exist, we have a close support system for our children, for our parents, for a long time. Take a situation where a son, daughter, daughter-in-law or son-in-law is doing some business and he needs certain amount of your retirement corpus to run his business, whether as a cash flow or additional investment. As a parent, you will be in a bind, a moral dilemma, whether to give the money or not to give the money. If give the money, your retirement corpus will be depleted, your lifestyle will be affected. But saying no may create a little kind of bad feelings. If a certain part of your investment is done in an insurance linked investment, that will give steady returns which are locked in, and you can say that I am unable to give the money because of this reason, and there is no way you can withdraw that money. It's a way out of this situation. I am no way suggesting that all your investments or retirement corpus should be put into investment linked insurance. A part of investment into an insurance product may be a prudent idea depending on the circumstances and the situation an individual is. So please don't blindly say no to insurance linked investment. They may be a right and a prudent decision in the long run.